He left? Are you serious?
Oh.
He ran away.
Look at the game.
Look who's back.
Oh, what?
Wait, what?
What?
Broke lettuce is back.
Lettuce, what are you doing?
If you guys really want to kill me, then just do it. I don't fear dying. And I just can't, I'm not gonna live in a server that doesn't want me. Because my goal has always been to enforce the will of the server and what the server wants. If the server doesn't want justice against people like Wembu, Lame, then fine. I just can't keep hurting more people.